What's going on, man? It's LS over here. As you saw in the title, we're gonna be taking the engine out of my Pontiac GTO. It's an '04 LS1 automatic. I'm rebuilding the whole engine, refresh, all new gaskets, everything else. Nothing too crazy, just a stock rebuild. And then intake manifold, baby cam, bigger injectors. That's about it as of right now. Probably use some other things later, like long tube headers, maybe boost, etc. Here's the car. I'm gonna do a little walk around, make sure you guys can see. That tire is definitely fat. Little small dents around. Nothing too crazy, just regular Cosmos purple. I do have cutouts though. They're like after the cats. So I mean it's kinda like a muffler delete, something like that. Alright, so I got it out. Timing cover, get the chain gear. Now I'm coming around here, try to get these flywheel bolts. Don't know how I'm gonna do that with this much space, but we're gonna try it. All right, now that we've got the cam out, I'm gonna take something in here and try to pry these mains out, and then we'll start on the pistons. Or I'll actually crack the piston bolts loose right now, the ones that I can reach, and then I guess use the crank bolt, put it in there to spin it. So I pulled the first piston, and this is crazy, but it like sliced some of it off. I don't know if you can see that. Literally worn it down. really all I have left is cylinder heads and the oil pan, and then it's all ready to go back in the car. I do have to check my clearances just to make sure that the valves aren't slapping the pistons. I will cry if that happens this first startup. I most likely won't need to because stock push rods, stock lifters, but I kind of want to make sure just in case. So yeah, finish these cylinder heads as fast as I can. I'm losing daylight. And yeah, try to get it back in the motor. I do want to paint my valve covers black, but the coil packs kind of is gonna cover it, so I don't really know if I should or not, because there's no point in trying to paint it to make it look cool if it's not going to be seen. I was gonna do the same thing with the motor and kind of paint the bottom end, but I just wanted to get everything back in the motor so it's ready to get back in the car. I also picked up a whole bunch of coolant and transmission fluid to fill up the torque converter. I should do a full flush, but that really can wait because the car trans is completely fine. There's really nothing wrong with it, except little minor things. I thought about doing a Corvette servo for faster shifts, but I kind of want my car back. I just want to get the motor rebuilt, put in the car, and then I'll get something for the baseline tune just to get it running. And then it's about, like, I'm not gonna lie, probably close to 10 p.m. And I finished the driver's side head, and I need to finish the passenger side. But I just mocked everything up just to see how it'll look, and it looks so fucking crazy. Like, I'm just imagining this whole thing back in the car. Like, the high ram, besides all the little imperfections right here, over here, for the most part, it's pretty clean versus how it was when I first got this motor in this garage, and it was oil leaking from every which way, front, back, top, bottom, everywhere. But my motor mounts and oil pressure sensor came, so I can get that guy in there. Here's how the car looks. I just threw the manifold on top. I got an abandoned vehicle sticker, not sticker, card thing. Cop was cool about it. I have basically till, I think today's Wednesday, I have until next Tuesday to get it running, and then if not, I have like a 15-day window to basically just get the car running. But here's how it looks. I wish I could show you guys. Right there where, see it. But it's not aligned. None of it is aligned. But I am hyped to see how it all looks bolted together with the front bumper on in there. me so much more videos to come on of it getting tuned, built trains, everything else, all the mods I'm going to be doing to this car. I'm going to document it. So, hope you guys like this video. This video took 6 months to do. I still have to put all the clips in and edit it, but it's been a long journey trying to get this car done. In the midst of it, I don't know if I put it in, but HOA put my car in as a abandoned vehicle, so I had to move it from side of the road to the driveway. But yeah, it was all stressful, but the motor's in and the car runs, and that's all that matters. So hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned for the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because we need that.